Hey guys, it's Tracy Lee at the Freedom Lifestyle. How's everybody doing tonight? I'm a little pumped tonight. I got some good content in here for you. Haven't been on the last couple nights. I got some not so good stuff going on in the background, but that's negative stuff. No, it's not negative, but it's just personal stuff that's been going on. So I haven't been able to get on here, and I apologize. But I've got some good content tonight. I'm glad you're here on my channel. But before we get started on the content tonight, please hit that likes, comments, and subscribe button down below, and hit that notification bell so that when I go live next time, you'll get content just like this. So how's everybody doing tonight? I hope everybody's doing good. It's Friday night. Everybody's getting ready for the weekend, or some people are still working. You know, I work a lot of weekends, but that's just me. I love to work. So anyhow, tonight's content is 3 tips for growing your affiliate marketing business. 3 tips for growing your affiliate marketing business. Now, it's no secret in opportunities, in affiliate marketing represents an excellent opportunity for enterprising entrepreneurs like ourselves. And you know, it's a wonderful thing to be able to choose and pick. And that's number 1 tonight, is choosing and picking your products wisely. Choose and pick your products wisely. Whether you're just starting out as a newbie marketer, like I was a few years ago, or you're a seasoned veteran, the importance of choosing the right products for your program never wavers. Contrary to what most people say, choosing the right product that's hot today, it may not be hot tomorrow, and you'll just be like, what happened, and it happens like that all the time. So what's important is, that the products you choose are matched well with your niche audience. Excuse me, a little dry throat there. Niche audience. The more you understand on your niche audience, the more likely you will choose products that match, and appeal to them, and what they need. So anyhow, number 2, diversify your keywords. This is a big one, folks. Diversify, that big word, diversify your keywords. Now, basically, all it is just as marketers, we know that SEO, or search engine optimization, is an essential piece of your marketing strategy. It's probably, in fact, it's one of the best ways to grow your website traffic, because as an entrepreneur, you give a word of caution. Like, many site owners and affiliate focus on keywords. Focus on keywords and with higher buyer intent, and relying too. So the whole thing is if you're only relying on 1 or 2 heavily placed keywords, can lead to your site being penalized, which happens a lot in the search engines. So when you're building your links, make sure you vary your anchor text. That you mix it up a little bit, because the search engine algorithms will pick it up all the time, and they see that same keyword, those same couple of them, they'll penalize you, and you'll be down for a while waiting to get back up. So make sure that your keywords, you diversify your keywords, because they have a positive effect on traffic to your site. So that's a big thing. You want to get that. Those people to your site. So make sure you're choosing your keywords with care. Number 3, make sure you build out your traffic sources. Now, this is a big one, folks. Making sure you spread your focus on your traffic sources on instead of having just 1 or 2, spread it out. Get like 5 or 6. Like, for instance, the top 4. The top 4: email marketing, paid advertising, social media, and blogging. All 4 of those are like killer. Those are probably the top 4 in the list. And if you get good at them, one at a time, learn email marketing and then go on to paid advertising. When I first started out, I was all over the place doing everything all at once, like emails and paid advertising, and then try to do social media, and then try to write a blog. And I'm like, oh man, You know, don't do it like that. Just focus on one, get the blinders on, focus on one thing, focus on your email marketing, get good at writing emails. That's one of my weaknesses, and I'll be very transparent with that. I'm not very good. I'm very good at writing. My writing is very beautiful and very good handwriting, but I'm not good at copy. And that's what we need to get good at, is copywriting. So that's what I'm striving for, to work on harder on myself, is to learn how to write good copy. I can write good, I can write good paragraphs, come up with good content to write. I'm not really that good at it. And like my coach said, I need to work on it, and I need to get better at it, and I will, for sure. I'm going to. Got to say, I am going to, because that's part of your lifeblood, is to be able to write good copy, and that's what we're learning. So anyhow, that's what I have tonight, folks. Like I said, I apologize for being gone for the last couple days, not doing vids, but life happens. We gotta just buckle down and do things we have to take care of. They're sometimes more important, but if you have any questions about what I talked about tonight, about the 3 tips and affiliate marketing that can help your business, hit the links below. It'll take you to a page where you can watch videos, and get the scoop on what I talked about tonight. There's all kinds of stuff in there, good stuff. You won't be sold. There will be links in there for sales. I'll be transparent about that, but there's stuff in there where you can just watch and you can make judgments for yourself. So anyhow, my name is Tracy Lee at The Freedom Lifestyle, and we shall see you on the next video very soon. Have a good night, and I'm out.